What you think?
Yeah, I'll clean it up.
You ain't checked it out yet.
I'm looking at it. I said, nigga.
What you say? How you looking at me?
They got new shocks, new bags. Ooh, you got disc brakes on that bitch? Oh, that bitch coming super equipped though.
Let me see.
Oh,
These trucks don't come with disc brakes. Oh, motherfucker do got disc brakes, huh? How much disc brakes cost? Is that a lot of money?
Well, you know, they only put them bitches on new trucks. So somebody split the bag.
That fifth wheel good. Well, flap. Is it open? Why the hell is it a vent in the back? Oh, I thought you were trying the door. Yeah, see what we, oh, wait a minute now. You know, yeah, okay, there you go. What kind of problem you think they were having?
You got some elite.
Is this a Mercedes? It's a different type of Mercedes or something. Man. Just slid back in the frame. I know, right? Make sure we ain't been tricked. Oh, fucked up. Yeah, the dude that told me about it over there in that red International in front of you, the one with the funny looking hood. Oh. Need a jump. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Come on, give it. Come on, Justin. There you go. Oh, shit. Yeah, knew about it, man. Being 65 on that oil pressure. Oh, okay. We got that 65. You got a turbo gauge in here, huh? How many miles? 10 speed. PTO right here. What you see? Check the other side out. Oh, at the bottom down there. Brakes work. PTO on it. If I on the PTO, what you think?
Nigga, that got 200,000 miles.
They ain't got up 200,000. That shit probably read wrong. You know what year this truck is? Like an 06, 07. It ain't got no 200,000. It's got a motherfucking big ass oil leak somewhere. It's down here. It's small, whatever it is, probably an oil pan or something. Well, what's the date on that paper right there? I said they were making money with it. What's that? Is it a recent date on there?
Yeah.
What's the date on there? That's how we know if it really worked right there. February 6th. Look at that ain't recent. That's a whole month ago. But they're close enough though. We know we're there right. What this one talking about? Oh, okay, they just random. Okay, they random. Turn on the blower. Oh, I got to hold on. Alright, now we can turn it on. I don't know what kind of blower it is, but that's just new gauge right there. Yeah, you blew out a whole lot of goddamn dirt all over the place, but it worked. That's probably like 2 million or something. Shit, ain't no 200,000. All that shit just don't work. That's all that is. But yeah, it's got good oil pressure. Yeah, look good. We're gonna go ahead and get this motherfucker. What was talking about on that? I don't know about all that. You gotta plug up to the ECM to get the real shit. I don't know about what that's talking about. But all I need to see is these stickers right here and that date on that paper. Let me know it's rolling. I mean, it's drivable. I don't see nothing not drivable about it. City horn work. God damn, you gonna wake everybody in the parking lot. AC work. AC work. Yeah, that motherfucker blowing, huh? All right. So, missing a speaker too. Let me check the lights right quick. Yeah, that motherfucker work right there, huh? Yeah, man, something look like it's broke back here. Oh, no. This motherfucker in good shape. Sound like the batteries on the alternator weak. But other than that, it's all good. It's just been sitting for so long. What's the battery voltage looking like? What is that, 13? Where it go? Some type of power loss. They run no 10 speed. I don't see no issues with it. What you think?
It's 100. Perfect.
Great price, huh? Let me see if I can get the information off the VIN. Shit, ain't no stick on the side of this motherfucker.
Man, we need to go to the thing now.
Oh, wait a minute, it's got an inspection right here. Sign readable though, but what is this? Oh, it's got TV? Oh, I don't know what that's for. Yeah, it ain't leased to nobody. They ain't took the stickers off the motherfucker. Huh? Oh, you gotta strap it down. Hold on. See if the VIN number on the, yeah, pop it back open. Damn, it ain't on the frame right here. See if it's on the frame over there. The VIN number. Yeah. I don't see shit over here. Maybe it's in the window. Yeah, this was a woman truck. She was driving out here in the oil field, decided she wanted to sell it to me, so I ain't gonna tell y'all the price, but I'm gonna go cut her the check. I don't know where the VIN number at. Got a lot of tape going on up here, but that's alright. A lot of plastic shit. We ain't worrying about that. It's got an air leak. I don't see no VIN number, man. I need a VIN number somewhere.
Man, they probably snatched it out.
That's what it looked like.
The truck come out of Louisiana, it might get stolen.
Think it's stolen?
Anybody give a fuck if it is?
I need a bullshit. I need a VIN number on this motherfucker somewhere. There's got to be a VIN number on here somewhere. Yeah, they didn't rip the stick off right here.
Yeah, man, truck come out of Louisiana, man.
Man, you can't just buy any. You can't just cut no check. You ain't got no VIN number.
Man,
fuck that.
I'm sure he got the title. That's all that matters.
Yeah, you got the title. You need a VIN number on that title.
Yeah.
All right, then. So shit got to match. You can't just print out a motherfucking title. There's got to be a VIN number on here somewhere.
Nah, it's gonna be on the frame, bro.
Well, we gotta find it something. I need something to run something. Shit. They ain't finna get me. Yeah, I know what's going on around here. I need a VIN number. Before I cut me any type of checks around this bitch. Oh, I see it. Okay, I see it. It's right here with mine. I can't, I see it right there. Try to get the camera in there, give me a picture of it.
Got a little heavy leak coming back here.
Air leak?
No.
Transmission leak?
Transmission oil.
You see it's transmission oil? Where you see it at? Oh, I see back there.
Yeah, you gotta get all that shit washed for that bitch catch on fire.
Yeah, we'll take care of that. Yeah, that's how mine is. That's a typical Mercedes.
Yeah, but you need to watch that shit for that bitch catch fire. That bitch will catch fire with all that bitch.
Little beacon across the street. But Blue Beacon ain't gonna get up under there like that though.
They got a
New alternator,
no, that's
new AC compressor.
Yeah, that's AC compressor.
Yeah, that alternator probably gotta be checked. This shit ain't oil in here, is it? Oh, okay, nah, it's just the way it is. Well, it's drivable. You can go straight to the secret shop from here. What we gonna call it?
Yes.
Another one bites the dust.
Yes.
You can close it.
Oh, what's it about?
This must be a Century. Nah, it's a Columbia. I don't like the way these hoods right here operate. I don't be know if they finna pop off or not. Yeah, it's a good little truck. We'll go ahead and cut the check for it. Oh, it's got a pointed plate, so at least I can run some shit by that. But I got the VIN number now. Yeah, it look pretty good.
Little small bag, and that bitch gonna pull like a bull.
Oh, you already know. I already know it's gonna make money. This is what I'm interested in right here. Yeah, this right here. Yeah, as soon as I cut the title, yeah, it's gonna money right here.
Whoa!
Yeah. Money in the making. Yeah, we'll cut the check. It ain't no problem. All right, let's go get the shower.